What's up, rock stars? It's me, Mizz KT. Welcome back to our hip-hop adventure. So, we have heard our star sound, and we called out its name, and we even read some of the lyrics to it. But we still haven't found it. Do you think we'll find it this time? Well, get on your feet. Let's rock!
Rockin' and Reading with Mizz KT.
Oh. More lyrics to Is hit song. You will help me read them, right? Oh, great. Okay. Whoa. Tim! That's right. Tim is the main character of this story. Now, Tim had a kit. That's right, a drum kit that he liked to sit on? Oh, hit. That's right. Oh, that would be weird if he were sitting on his drum kit. That would break it. Oh, okay. Let's keep reading. Tim had a stick. Tim had a stick, a drumstick. Rockstar reading. That did a flip. His stick flipped. Wow, that's cool. But then his stick made his kit rip. But then his stick made his kit rip. Rockstar reading! Oh no. I think we've come to the conflict. The part that's not great for the main character, so what's happened so far? Tim has a drum kit, and what else? What does he play the drums with? His hands? That's right, a stick. Maybe two. Oh. And what did the stick do? It did a flip. Can you flip a stick? Whoa. I don't think I can. Okay, and what happened when the stick flipped? That's right. It made his kit rip. Oh no. Poor Tim. Poor Tim. Poor We still have to find Oh no. Will you all help me find Yeah? Okay, let's go.
Tune in next time to see what happens on
Rockin' and Reading with Mizz KT.
Like and subscribe.